Honorable members, in the Basant season of renewal and resurgence, I welcome you all to this joint session of both houses of Parliament. This is a historic session heralding the advancement of the budget cycle and merger of the railway budget with the general budget for the first time in independent India. We gather once again to celebrate democracy, cherished value and culture that has prospered throughout the long history of our nation. Indeed, a culture that guides my government towards Sabko Saath, Sabko Vikas. Honorable members, the idea of Sahana Bhavantu, Sahana Bhunaktu, may we be protected together and blessed together with bliss, has inspired our civilization from time immemorial. This year marks the 350th birth anniversary of the great Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji. We are also observing the 1000th birth anniversary of the great saint philosopher Ramanujarya. The luminous path of social transformation and reform shown by them serves as a beacon to us all and is an inspiration of my government. This year marks the centenary year of Champaran Satyagraha, which gave a new direction to our freedom struggle and channelized Jana Shakti in the fight against colonial powers. Mahatma Gandhi's ideas to Satyagraha instilled in every Indian an indomitable self-belief and spirit of sacrifices for the larger goods. The Jan Shakti is today our greatest strength. Honorable members, the resilience and forbearance demonstrated by our countrymen, particularly the poor, recently in the fight against black money and corruption is remarkable. The same spirit has driven the LPG Give It Up campaign. Over 1.2 crore consumers have voluntarily given up their LPG subsidy, which has helped the underprivileged in accessing LPG connections. This Jan Shakti has transformed Swachh Bharat mission into a Jana Andolan. 1.4 lakh villages, over 450 cities, 77 districts and 3 states have declared themselves open defecation free. My government salutes the strength of Jan Shakti and pledges to constructively utilize it in Rashtra Nirman. At the core of all my government's policies is the welfare of the Garib, Dalit, Pirit, Shoshit, Vanchit, Kishan, Shramik and Yuva. My government is guided by the Antodaya philosophy of Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay. His centenary year is being observed as Garib Kalyan Bars. Financial inclusion is key to poverty alleviation. An unprecedented 26 crore plus Jan Dhan accounts have been opened for the unbanked. Over 20 crore RuPay debit cards have been issued to enable cashless payments. Moving swiftly to Jan Dhan, to Jan Suraksha, close to 13 crore poor have been covered under various social security schemes. Honorable members, to take banking system to the doorstep of the poor and the unbanked, the Indian Postal Payment Bank has been started. The postal network with wider reach and deep penetration over 1.5 lakh crore offices will also function as postal banks. Besides, over 1 lakh bank mitras appointed by the banks, over 2.5 lakh Gram Dak Sevaks will also function as banking correspondents. Over rupees 2 lakh crores has been provided through 5.6 crore loans sanctioned under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana to ensure collateral bank financing for the unfunded and to promote small business. 70% of these has been availed of by women entrepreneurs. Under the Deendayal Upadhyay Antodaya Yojana, which aims to empower women, particularly from the deprived sections, over rupees 16,000 crores have been made available to self-help groups in the current financial year. This scheme aims to reach out to nearly 5 crore women soon. My government has taken many initiatives to improve the quality of life of the poor through assured housing, affordable health care, safe drinking water and sanitation, and access to clean energy. Honorable members, my government is committed to provide shelter to every houseless, poor household through the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana with appropriate interest subvention on housing credit. Poor sanitation further weakens the economic wherewithal of poor household. Such Bharat Abhiyan aims to ensure health and sanitation, particularly for the poor. Under this mission, more than 3 crore toilets have been constructed.